Hi everyone, I'm Ambika and I'm so excited to introduce you to the new love of my life, the Supple Preparation Toner by Klairs. For those of you who are new to skincare, toners are an essential part of anyone's skincare routine. With the right toner, you're cleaning your skin while giving it extra hydration, essential ingredients, and creating overall great looking skin. I've been in the market for new skincare items. So when I heard that Maccaron was selling this straight from Korea, I just had to give it a shot. As you guys know, K-beauty is the beauty craze at the moment. So when a Korean brand like Klairs puts out a toner, I am definitely going to use it. Using it can't be simpler. Just clean your face with warm water, pour a few drops, and apply it to your cleansed skin. Look how quickly it gets absorbed right into the skin. And that glow. I've used this for a few weeks now and the hydration levels are even better than any other moisturizers I've tried. I mean, it's not just a toner. It's a cleanser, moisturizer, skin primer, all in one. So this means it's not only great for people with dry skin, but the combination of plant extracts and other ingredients makes it super soothing for people with sensitive skin as well. I could honestly go on and on, but seriously, head over to Maccaron and add this to your cart now. Because they're Korea-based authorized online sellers, you know you're getting 100% genuine products at the best prices. So try it out. Trust me, you'll be wondering how you ever live without this.